Tutorial how to download and install Visual Studio Code with the easy way. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Markenji. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Click to the Visual Studio Code. You can choose you use the Windows, Mac OS or Linux. In this case I will use the Windows version. Okay, the download is already ongoing. So what we do is just waiting until the download is already completed. Okay, the download already done. After that we go to download and show in folder. Nah, I will cut it and go to my folder because I save all my folder in this A. But if you want to save in the other place, it's up to you, man. And then run as administrator. Yes. Okay, I accept the agreement. Next. Okay, where you want to put your VS Code, I will put in here by default. Next. Don't create a start admin folder. Okay, next, just next. Create a desktop icon. I will make a desktop icon. Okay, next, install. Okay, we wait until the install already done. Okay, finish. Okay, the VS Code Studio already finished. Maybe I will show you something cool. You go to the CMD, the command prompt. You type the code X. That will summon your Visual Studio Code. If you cannot know where your Studio Code, where you place it, or where you just install and doesn't know where the Studio Code, because I already make the desktop icon, so this will show in my desktop. Okay, that's the way or the tutorial how to install the Visual Studio Code and download it. May that help you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah.